Howdy folks, we're out for the weekend again, and it is chainsaw season. So these three poplar blew over in a windstorm a few years ago. Last year maybe? Anyway, they're still hanging on to the ground, so they're still green inside, which means they're very heavy. But they're protruding well into the field now. So today's the day. We got some friends here to help, so we'll try and cut these up and get them out of here once and for all. So there's a few big ones. These are probably, I don't know, 10 to 12 inches in diameter, and like I say, probably still wet, so pretty heavy. So we'll see how many we can get out of here. Now these are laying sideways, and so it's a bit of a challenge to cut these down without having it split up the middle and barber chair on you and make for a dangerous cutting situation. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut into the bottom. I'm going to try and cut a relief into the bottom, and then perhaps even do a plunge cut and then come out the back and try and get that to fall safely. Follow along and see how we do. Whoops. I think I need to get the other side. I was trying to do a plunge cut so that it was hanging on the back strap and on here, but I think I hit a part that was already cracked, so it's not holding there anymore, so now it's folding in on my saw. Good thing I have two saws. Just like I planned it. Yeah. Okay, same plan for this one. We're gonna do a notch and then try and drive it. Now this one should do more what we wanted because it's all hanging. So I'm hoping it'll do what we want and cut that relief, and it'll fold into the relief instead of onto my bar. So we'll try it. I am really bad at this.
So what if...
There's just some... I tried to widen it a little bit.
Yep.
And now it's stuck between the piece I was cutting out and this side.
Yep.
I wonder if I can just finesse the other one in there and get that out.
If you couldn't...
You should do these cuts with that saw. Feels no different.
It's definitely closed on that gap. So, got this guy good and stuck in the log, and it's all bound up. So we're gonna just pull the whole bar and chain off. I've got a smaller bar and chain that we can put on to try and finish the job here. So I thought I would go in and just clean up that undercut a little bit more and take a little more out, and the log just sagged on it right then and there. So my fault for wanting to get in and get a little bit cleaner cut there, but I'll get this guy off, and there we go. We'll just get a new bar on it and a new chain, and hopefully we can finish off what we started. All right, Operation Free the Bar continues.
people working there if they take something off?
You get a double light.
What's that?
You get twice the light today.
Yeah.
She's like, nope.
Well, that's cool, man. That works pretty good.
Yeah,
You know, I mean, it's slow going.
yeah, but I
It's
mean,
not like a bandsaw.
Nope.
You know, but
that's fine.
pretty good.
Falling off.
Hey?
It was falling off.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. I went a little whoop at the end.
yeah, beautiful.
Nice.
That's wide.
Hey?
That's wide.
Real oh yeah. Yeah, it is. Maybe 10 inches?
Yeah. Yep.
Dad?
So those brush piles we made this summer while cutting down trees and trimming up some things for the bushcraft longhouse. We made 3 big, huge brush piles in the yard. And now we're going to dump them all over here on this side of the yard. And this winter, we're gonna have ourselves one heck of an awesome bonfire.